Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner. You go to the Settings and Privacy option and tap to the in the Your Account section the Account Center, and in the account settings go to the password and security option and tap to the first option, the change password. And new, you write your current password and write the new password and the new password again, and if you finished, just click to the change password button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.